Those who survived Hurricane Helene in North Carolina, look at this. This is their reality. They're digging out. CBS News correspondent Janet Shamlian with the stories of people who are working to salvage whatever they can.
Hey, Reed, this is what we're seeing in Charlotte and across western North Carolina today. It's the very start of the cleanup, even though we're in week 2. We've got a construction truck here hauling away debris, and this is what people are dealing with. Let me give you a look. This is just the entire contents of someone's home, from their coffee maker right here, cookware, clothes, furniture. They've got some clothes hanging out front that you think they're probably trying to save, and at least they have a sense of humor. There's a skeleton up top that looks like it was just recently added. The infrastructure is a big problem in western North Carolina right now. A lot of roads are compromised. They have either collapsed or they are in danger of collapse. And what really needs to happen is emergency crews like this need to get in here and do the work. As of today, at least 8 counties in western North Carolina have canceled classes, some of them indefinitely. That includes the entire town of Asheville. There are FEMA troops on the ground, National Guard troops on the ground, but what we've been seeing is this is really a neighbor-to-neighbor recovery. Over the weekend, people with chainsaws helping chop up wood so that the streets could become clear. People with general stores turning them into free hot meal distribution centers. That's kind of how the work is getting done. But again, this is going to be a long-term process. And the weather's about to change here in North Carolina. We're going to get a lot colder weather towards the end of the week, and that means the needs are changing. Instead of food and toilet paper and paper towels, which people seem to have now, they're going to need warmer clothes, because a lot of these people have lost everything they own. Back to you.
Janet, thank you so much.